Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now find Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's green. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Over here, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Auto Rotate feature. If the switcher is green, that means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!